Hello, welcome to WizKids. WizKids is a quick recall academic competition for 4th and 5th grade students from area schools. My name is Dave Duda and I will be your moderator. Even though the teams are familiar with the rules, I would like to state that although WizKids is similar to Governor's Cup, it is a Hardin County Schools competition. Today's contestants are from Cecilia Valley and Helmwood Elementaries. Now let's meet the team members and coaches from Cecilia Valley.
Dylan Hack is a 4th grade student in Miss Gibson's class. This is his first year on the academic team. He likes to ride his bike in his spare time and wants to be an eye surgeon when he grows up. Matthew Thurman is a 5th grade student in Miss Fisher's class. This is his 2nd year on the academic team. He likes to go swimming in his spare time and wants to be a meteorologist when he grows up. Braxton Loeffler is a 5th grade student in Miss Moore's class. This is his 2nd year on the academic team. He enjoys competing on academic team and wants to be a teacher when he grows up. Kelsey Darland is a 5th grade student in Miss Moore's class. This is her 2nd year on the academic team. She likes to color in her spare time and wants to be a teacher when she grows up. Miss Ballman is a 3rd grade teacher at Cecilia Valley. This is her 4th year coaching academic team. In her spare time, she likes to spend time with her family and her dogs. She is expecting her first baby in December. Miss Mead is in her 14th year of teaching. She lives in Elizabethtown, Kentucky. She has a son and a daughter who are both grown. Her favorite hobbies are reading and playing the piano.
We will now meet the team and coach from Helmwood.
Quinn Berkshire is a 4th grader at Helmwood. His parents are Forrest and Sarah, and he has one brother, Silas. He enjoys playing games and loves Fortnite. His favorite subject is science. He loves his dogs, Rocky and Rohan, and enjoys to one day be a vet. Rachel Bell is the 10-year-old daughter of Janae and Jason Bell. Her favorite subjects are reading and math. She enjoys playing both tennis and soccer, and in her free time loves getting ice cream with friends. Her favorite sports teams are the Pittsburgh Steelers and the St. Louis Cardinals. This is her 3rd year on the academic team. Jake Hubbard is a 5th grader in Mrs. Davis's class. He is the son of Catherine and Josh Hubbard. This is his 3rd year on Helmwood's academic team. His favorite subjects are social studies, math, and language arts. His hobbies include playing soccer, basketball, and learning. He also enjoys watching UK athletes. Go Cats! Sebastian Thomas is a 5th grader in Mrs. Whitlock's class. His favorite subjects are science and social studies. He enjoys cosplaying and caring for his animals, but he also likes exploring caves. He has lots of hobbies, but his favorite is painting. Kimberly Strange is a graduate of Murray State University with a degree in music education. She has been the music teacher at Helmwood Heights for 10 years, and this is her 9th year as academic team coach. She enjoys musical theater, drinking coffee, watching UK basketball, and spoiling her cat, Bailey.
Coaches, you may return to your seats at this time. Teams, are you ready? Contestants, remember you may interrupt the reading of a toss-up question by buzzing in. However, if your answer is incorrect, the question will be reread in its entirety for the opposing team. Teams may confer on bonus questions, but the team captain must give the response. Remember, the bounce-back bonus will be in effect. All questions are worth 1 point, and each half is 10 minutes long. The first question is a toss-up for either team. What kind of painting practiced by Tibetan monks and Native Americans of the U.S. Southwest involves the placement of small, loose, colorful grains of disintegrated rock to produce patterns and pictures?
Cecilia Valley, Loeffler.
Sand art.
Correct. 2, bonus. What does the abbreviation mean in Nebraska VS period Colorado?
Nebraska versus Colorado.
Correct. 3, toss-up. A pile of fossilized eggs weighed 34.2 pounds. Each egg weighed 0.6 pound. How many eggs were in the pile?
Cecilia Valley, Loeffler.
57.
Correct. 4, bonus. Thousands of years ago, they used specially prepared animal skins called parchment. They also tried silk and papyrus. Today, all of these materials have been replaced by what?
No answer.
Captain?
Paper.
Correct. 5, toss-up. What is the dominant member and the power plant of our solar system?
Helmwood Heights, Hubbard.
Sun.
Correct. 6, bonus. Which continent is the flattest, smallest, and second most arid?
Australia.
Correct. 7, toss-up. What are the 2 main seasons in the tundra?
Helmwood Heights, Hubbard.
Winter and summer.
Correct. 8, bonus. What word should end this proverb? A rolling stone gathers no moths.
No answer.
Captain?
No answer.
Moss. 9, toss-up. These are titles of what kind of paintings? Table, napkin, and fruit. The vase with...
Helmwood Heights, Thomas.
Still life.
Correct. 10, bonus. What is the name for the top number in a fraction?
Numerator.
Correct. 11, toss-up. Immediately east of the Gulf of St. Lawrence is what ocean?
Cecilia Valley, Loeffler.
The Atlantic Ocean.
Correct. 12, bonus. To change centimeters to meters, divide by what number?
100.
Correct. 13, toss-up. What are the prime factors of 21?
Helmwood Heights, Hubbard.
7 and 3.
Correct. 14, bonus. The athletes in goofy clothes and makeup who are responsible for protecting riders in bull riding competitions are called rodeo what?
Clowns.
Correct. 15, toss-up. This is about what legendary figure? No Bronco could throw him, no sir. Fact is, I only heard of him getting thrown once in his whole career. Yep, it was that time he was up Kansas way and decided to ride him a tornado.
Cecilia Valley, Loeffler.
Storm along.
Incorrect.
Helmwood Heights, Thomas.
Paul Bunyan.
Incorrect. Pecos Bill. 16, toss-up. 27 equals 27 times 3 times what fraction?
Cecilia Valley, Loeffler.
3.
Pardon me?
3.
Incorrect.
Helmwood Heights, Hubbard.
1/3.
Correct. 17, bonus. What type of fiction involves these subjects? Telepathy, time travel, robots, space travel.
Science fiction.
Correct. 18, toss-up. The last word in this line alludes to what nation? Christopher Columbus was born in the city of Genoa, which is in the top of the boot.
Helmwood Heights, Hubbard.
Italy.
Correct. 19, bonus. On what part of a stringed instrument are the frets located?
Tuner.
Incorrect, Captain.
No answer.
Neck. 20, toss-up. What is the term for the distinct reflection of a sound which can be distinguished from the original sound?
Helmwood Heights, Berkshire.
Echo.
Correct. 21, bonus. What 17-syllable form of poetry is associated with Japan?
Haiku.
Correct. 22, toss-up. What is the period of revolution for the planet Earth?
Helmwood Heights, Hubbard.
1 day.
Incorrect.
Cecilia Valley, Loeffler.
7 days.
Incorrect. 1 year. 23, toss-up. What is the sum of 1/2, -3/4, and -5/8. Time, -7/8. 24, toss-up. In 1868, a Kansas Pacific locomotive had to wait 8 hours while a herd of what kind of animals ambled across the tracks?
Helmwood Heights, Hubbard.
Sheep.
Incorrect.
Cecilia Valley, Thurman.
Buffalo.
Correct. 25, bonus. What are the nouns in this line by Ray Bradbury? We are an impossibility in an impossible universe.
Universe.
Incorrect, Captain.
Universe and we.
Incorrect. Impossibility and universe. 26, toss-up. Name the imaginary line of 0 degrees latitude.
Helmwood Heights, Berkshire.
Equator.
Can't hear.
Equator.
Correct. 27, bonus. Beatrix Potter created such characters as Jemima Puddle Duck, Mrs. Tiggywinkle, Benjamin Bunny, and Peter who?
Rabbit.
Correct. 28, toss-up. What common, non-physical, unenviable characteristic do these animals share? Dodo, great auk, Labrador duck, passenger pigeon, saber-toothed tiger.
Helmwood Heights, Bell.
They're a bird.
Incorrect. I'll reread the question.
Cecilia Valley, Thurman.
They're all prehistoric animals.
Incorrect. Extinction. 29, toss-up. Divide 1 by 2/3.
Cecilia Valley, Loeffler.
1.5.
Correct. 30, bonus. What stage direction in a play manuscript indicates that a single character should leave the stage?
No answer.
Captain?
Leave.
Incorrect. Exit. Okay, that is 30 questions. So at the end of the half, the score is Cecilia Valley 7, Helmwood Heights 15. Welcome back to the second half of Whiz Kids between Cecilia Valley and Helmwood Elementaries. During the half, the following substitutions were made. Joining the team from Cecilia Valley are Raylan Brackens and Alex Milburn. Teams, let's begin the second half of today's competition with a toss-up question. These lines come from the official song of what state? It was Brigham Young who led the pioneers across the plains. They suffered with the trials they had to face.
Helmwood Heights, Thomas.
Oregon.
Incorrect. I'll reread the question. These lines come from the official song of what state? It was Brigham Young who led the pioneers across the plains. They suffered with the trials they had to face. With faith, they kept on going till they reached the Great Salt Lake. Here they heard.
Cecilia Valley, Loeffler.
Utah.
Correct. 2, bonus. What is the collective name for art forms such as leather painting, embroidery, beading, quilting, weaving, glass blowing, basketry, wood burning, and crocheting?
No answer.
Captain?
Crafts.
Correct. 3, toss-up. How far does a vehicle go if it travels 68 miles per hour for 0.5 hours?
Cecilia Valley, Braxton.
34 miles.
Correct. 4, bonus. What is the third squared number?
8.
Incorrect, Captain.
4.
Incorrect, 9. 5, toss-up. Name the part of a sentence that includes a verb plus all the words and phrases associated with it and names the action engaged in by the sub.
Cecilia Valley, Loeffler.
Predicate.
Correct. 6, bonus. Before the 16th century in England, it was called the lion's tooth. But when they began to use the French name for this weed, Don de Leon, what is this common weed?
Tobacco.
Incorrect, Captain?
Dandelion.
Correct. 7, toss-up. 30% of what number is 300?
Cecilia Valley, Milburn.
900.
Incorrect.
Helmwood Heights, Hubbard.
10.
Incorrect. 1,000. 8, toss-up. Name the Venetian boatmen who propel their craft by a single oar and sing barcaroles.
Helmwood Heights, Hubbard.
Vikings.
Incorrect.
Cecilia Valley, Loeffler.
Storm along.
Incorrect. Gondoliers. 9, toss-up. The centers of what kind of storms are called eyes?
Helmwood Heights, Hubbard.
Hurricanes.
Correct. 10, bonus. Towns including Los Angeles, San Antonio, Santa Fe, and Tucson were founded by people from what European country?
England.
Incorrect, Captain?
Spain.
Correct. 11, toss-up. What is the last word in this poem about a shipwreck in Canada? The wind can blow like hurricane, and suppose she blows some more. You can't get drowned on Lac Saint Pierre as long as you stay on.
Helmwood Heights, Hubbard.
The ground.
Incorrect.
Cecilia Valley, Loeffler.
Board.
Incorrect. Shore. 12, toss-up. Write the what is the fraction 18 and 7/10 as a decimal?
Cecilia Valley, Loeffler.
18.7.
Correct. 13, bonus. What is the term for light, freshly fallen snow?
Snowflakes.
Incorrect, Captain?
Powder.
Correct. 14, toss-up. Which state east of the Mississippi has the longest coastline?
Helmwood Heights, Hubbard.
Texas.
Incorrect.
Cecilia Valley, Loeffler.
California.
Incorrect. Florida. 15, toss-up. What structures incorporating domes are associated with Inuits?
Helmwood Heights, Hubbard.
Igloos.
Correct. 16, bonus. Name the device around which a wheel rotates.
Axle.
Correct. 17, toss-up. World War I ended when what nation surrendered?
Helmwood Heights, Thomas.
Germany.
Correct. 18, bonus. Name the organizational feature of written English by which sentences related to a single topic are presented as a group.
Paragraph.
Correct. 19, toss-up. In lowest terms, 2.5 times 1/2 equals what?
Cecilia Valley, Loeffler.
1 1/4.
Correct. 20, bonus. In fiction, dialogue is typically enclosed within quotation marks. In a play, each character's lines are preceded by what?
Their name.
Correct. 21, toss-up. Guavas can be purchased at a cost of 2 for 17 cents. What is the cost of a dozen guavas?
Cecilia Valley, Loeffler.
$1.02.
Correct. 22, bonus. In what Dr. Seuss story does the truffula tree make an appearance?
The Lorat.
Correct. 23, toss-up. What is the common name for a coil of metal that returns to its original shape after?
Helmwood Heights, Hubbard.
Spring.
Correct. 24, bonus. What is the collective name for protective clothing worn to defend knights from harm in combat?
Armor.
Correct. 25, toss-up. What enormous sculpture designed by Frederick Bartholdi and financed by the people of France can...
Helmwood Heights, Hubbard.
Statue of Liberty.
Correct. 26, bonus. Name either of the two most common first letters of U.S. states.
In.
Correct. 27, toss-up. This is from what Dr. Seuss story? I'm tired and I'm bored and I've kinks in my leg from just sitting here day after day.
Helmwood Heights, Thomas.
Green eggs and ham.
Incorrect. I'll reread the question.
Cecilia
Dr.
Valley,
Seuss.
Milburn.
Incorrect. Horton hatches the egg. 28, toss-up. What is the name for any substance that contains only one kind of atom?
Cecilia Valley,
A
Loeffler.
molecule.
Incorrect. Time, element. 29, toss-up. The Zircon star system includes 948 planets. 12 spacecraft are dispatched such that each will explore an equal number of planets. How many planets will each spacecraft visit?
Helmwood Heights, Hubbard.
79.
Correct. 30, bonus. In sculpture, name the act of cutting or incising the material into the desired form using knives, chisels, gouges, points, saws, adzes, and hammers.
Carving.
Correct. Okay, that is 30 questions, and so the final score is Cecilia Valley 16, Helmwood Heights 29. Congratulations to the winning team and to both teams for an excellent competition. Join us for our next WizKids competition.